Hi friends, welcome to Arav Science channel. This is Avani. Today we are going to see about top 5 science inventions that changed the world. So come on, let's move into the video. Invention number 5. It's wheel. So what is a wheel? A wheel is a circular block of a hard and durable material at whose center has been bored a hole. It makes possible to transport heavy loads. Now let's see how was the wheel invented. Early wheels were simple wooden discs with a hole for the axle. Some of the earliest wheels were made from horizontal slices of the tree trunks. It was further developed to use for transportation. Wheels can also be used in shaping things due to the spinning motion. Example, potter's wheel. Friends, now let's see who invented the wheel. Evidence indicates wheel was created to serve as potter's wheel around 3500 BC. In Mesopotamia, 300 years before, someone figured out to use them for chariots. How did the wheel change the world? Wheel has changed the world in incredible ways. Wheel has given us much faster and easier transportation. It has brought us cars, buses and many other transportation devices. It is also helping us in traveling for long distances much faster. Invention number 4. It's the compass. What's a compass? A compass is a device that shows the cardinal direction used for navigation and geographical orientation. It commonly consists of a magnetized needle or other elements such as compass cord or compass rose which can pivot to align itself with magnetic north. Now let's see how was the compass invented. The ancient Chinese compass was made from iron oxide, a mineral ore. Another style of compass was made by placing an iron needle that had been rubbed with a lodestone or iron oxide on a piece of wood and floating the wood in the bowl of water. Now let's see who invented the compass. Historians think China may have been first civilization to develop a magnetic compass that could be used for navigation. It was originally called south pointing fish. It was used in Han Dynasty China from 20 BC to 20 AD. It was used in fortune telling earlier. Now let's see how did compass change the world. The compass made navigation easier by showing which direction is magnetic north and how it was relative to map. With this tool, we always had the guarantee of knowing how to go back if things go wrong. The compass has shaped the world as we see it now. Invention number 3. It's the printing press. So what is a printing press? Printing press is a mechanical device for applying pressure to an inked surface resting upon a print medium, thereby transferring the ink. In simple words, printing press is a device that allows for a mass production of uniform printed matter, mainly text in form of books, pamphlets and newspapers. Now let's see who invented the printing press. Johannes Gutenberg invented the printing press in 1440. He was a German inventor, printer, publisher, and goldsmith who introduced printing to Europe with this mechanical movable type printing press. So you can see the picture of Johannes Gutenberg in the right side. Now let's see how did printing press change the world. Printing press enabled people to share knowledge more quickly and widely. Invention of printing press helped disseminate knowledge wider and faster than ever before. Invention number 2. It's the light bulb. So what is a light bulb? Light bulb is an electric light with a wire filament heated until it glows. The wire filament is made up of tungsten. Now let's see who invented the light bulb. Thomas Alva Edison invented the light bulb. Thomas Edison is credited as the primary inventor because he created a completely functional lighting system including a generator and wiring as well as a carbon filament bulb in 1879. Though Thomas Edison is usually credited with the invention of the light bulb, the famous American inventor wasn't the only one who contributed to the development of this revolutionary technology. Many other notable figures are also remembered for their work with electric batteries, lamps, and the creation of the first incandescent bulbs. Now let's see how Thomas Edison invented the light bulb. By January 1879, at his laboratory in Menlo Park, New Jersey, Edison had built his first high resistant incandescent electric light. It worked by passing electricity through a thin platinum filament in the glass vacuum bulb, which delayed the filament from melting. Still, the lamp only burned for a few short hours. Now let's see how did light bulb change the world. Electric light bulb has been called the most important invention since man-made fire. Light bulb helped to establish social order after sundown and extended the workday well into the night and allowed us to navigate and travel safely in the dark. Without the light bulb, there would be no nightlife. And now it's the time for invention number 1. It's the internet. So what is the internet? The internet is a vast network that connects computers all over the world. Through the internet, people can share information and communicate from anywhere with an internet connection. Now let's see who invented the internet. Computer scientists Vinton Cerf and Bob Kahn are credited with inventing the internet communication protocols we use today and the system referred to as the internet. Now let's see how did internet change the world. Internet has changed business, education, government, healthcare and even the ways in which we interact with our loved ones. It has become one of the key drivers of social evolution. The changes in social communication are of particular significance. The internet has removed all communication barriers. Friends, I hope you liked today's video. If you liked today's video, please give a like. And if you want to see our videos instantly, please subscribe to RO Science channel. And if our channel needs any improvement, please comment. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.